How to donate diamond pass to friends in Clash Royale. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Clash Royale, then click on the hamburger or the three lines at the top right hand side corner. Now here select the option of Supercell ID. Over here select the option of My Games. Now select the option of Clash Royale. And here you would find your friends that are playing Clash Royale. Simply select any of your friend who you want to donate the diamond pass, but make sure that you have the diamond pass yourself. For this, just simply open up your browser and search for Supercell store. Then simply open it up and log in with your Supercell ID. After that, open up the Clash Royale option, then purchase the diamond pass so you have it in your account. After that, you can just simply open up Clash Royale again and then just follow the procedure that was shown in this video earlier, and this way you would be able to donate it quite easily. But there is a spam protection, so you would be able to donate once in 24 hours, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.